Good day, viewers. You're welcome to today's teaching. In today's teaching, we'll be looking at fractions. Fractions. In fractions, we have a numerator and a denominator. What do I mean by that? For example, when we have A over B, this is a fraction. So this is numerator. And this one is denominator. So we have a numerator, we have a denominator to give a fraction. And we have different types of fraction. Types of fractions. Number one, basic elementary mathematics, we say we have a proper fraction. Proper fractions. In the case of proper fraction, that one is proper because the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Just for example, somebody like me is carrying a rat, so it's proper. So, but if rats to carry me, that is improper. Now, example of proper fraction. When we have 1 over 3, 2 over 5, we have 3 over 7. All these are examples of proper fractions. Then we have the second one is improper fractions. Improper fractions. Here, the numerator is bigger than the denominator. The numerator is bigger than the denominator. Here we have 5 over 3. Example of improper fraction. We can have 7 over 2. We can also have 9 over 5. All these ones are examples of improper fractions. Then we also have mixed fractions. In the case of mixed fraction, we are having a whole number and fraction. Whole number. What do I mean by that? For example, when we have 2 whole number, 3 over 5. This is a typical example of mixed fraction. Or when we have 1 whole number, then we have 1 over 2. Example of a mixed fractions. Then we also have equivalent fractions. We have equivalent fractions. Example of this is when we have, for example, 3 over 4 is equal to 6 over 8. What has happened there? It means that 3 plus 3 here will give us 6. Addition of 4 to this will give us 8. Then we continue it like that. That's what we call equivalent fractions. Now we want to solve problems on all these: improper fractions, mixed fractions, equivalent fractions, and proper fraction. We want to solve problems, and in fraction we use BODMAS. We make use of BODMAS. In solving problems here. BODMAS. We have it as bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Or you can call it also bracket order division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So we are going to use this rule to answer questions now. We want to solve some examples under fractions using BODMAS. Like I said earlier, the first question here is simplify 1 whole number 3 over 4 minus into bracket 2 whole number 1 over 3 plus 4. So we are going to start with the first question. The first question is 1 whole number 3 over 4 minus into bracket 2 whole number 1 over 3 plus 4. Now the first thing here is to change mixed fraction to improper fraction. Change the mixed fraction into what? Improper fraction. So how do we change? We multiply this one by this and add the numerator. That is 4 multiplied by 1, 4, plus 3, that is 7 over 4, minus, into bracket, 3 multiplied by 2, 6, plus 1, 7 over 3, plus 4. This one is 4 over 1. That is the interpretation of that. Now, going by Bodmer's rule, bracket first, we apply the rule, bracket first. That is, we solve the ones that we have in bracket. And what do we have there? We have 7 over 3 plus 4 over 1. So what do we do here? We take the LCM. LCM. And what is the LCM? The LCM is 3. So we are going to take the LCM to be 3. 3 in 3. That is how many times will 3 go in 3? That is 1. 1 multiplied by 7 is 7. We have plus addition sign. 1 in 3 is the same thing as 3. 3 multiplied by 4 is what we have as 12. So that means what? 7 plus 12 will give us 19 over 3. That is for the bracket one. Now we are going to go with the other one, the last one there. The last one, we are going to have it as 7 over 4. We have negative sign minus 19 over 3. Remember that this one is the value for the one that is inside bracket. Now we take the LCM again. What is the LCM of 4 and 3? That will be 12. The LCM is 12. The LCM is 12. No, 4 in 12 now. It will go 3 times. 3 multiplied by 7. 3 multiplied by 7 is 21. Minus 3 in 12. We have it as 4. 4 multiplied by 19. Let's do the multiplication. 4 multiplied by 19. We are going to have it as 4 times 9. We are going to have it as 36. We keep 3. So 4 multiplied by 1 is 4 plus 3. That is 76. That is 76. So 21 minus 76. So that means we are going to have 21 minus 76. Let's subtract 76 from 21. Let's subtract, that is minus 55 over 12. So let's have it in mixed fraction. How many times will 12 go in 55? That would be minus 4 whole number, 7 over 12. That's our final answer. It means fraction. 7 over 12. It means fraction. Now, that is solution to the first question. Then the second question. The second question says simplify. Simplify 1 whole number 2 over 3 of 2 whole number 1 over 4 divided by 3 whole number 1 over 2 minus 1 whole number 1 over 4. So we are going to have from our law. The first thing to do is to change mixed fraction to improper fraction. Here we are going to have 3 multiplied by 1, 3, plus 2. That will be 5 over 3 of 4 multiplied by 2, 8, plus 1, 9 over 4. The division sign comes in. 2 multiplied by 3, 6, plus 1, 7 over 2, minus 4 multiplied by 1 is 4, plus 1, 5. over 4. Now, going by the rule of BODMAS, off here first. Let's apply the law. Off first. That means when you see F, it means multiplication of, that is 5 over 3 multiplied by 9 over 4. Let's solve this one first. That will be 3 here, 1. 3 can go in 9. We have it as 3. That means we're having 5 multiplied by 3. 5 multiplied by 3, which is 15. That will be 15 over 4. The next thing is to look at the division sign. Bracket of division, which is over 2 here. Now, when we say division sign, you are going to transpose the divisions. That is, you change division to multiplication. And when you are doing so, the denominator will become the numerator, and numerator becomes the denominator. That means we are going to have 15 over 4 multiplied by 2 over 7. 2 over 7. 2 here, 1. 2 in 4, we have it as 2. That means we are going to have it as 15 over 2 multiplied by 7, 14. Now, the next one now comes in, which is minus 5 over 4. 5 over 4. 15 over 14 minus 5 over 4. What are we going to do here now? We take the LCM. And what is going to be our LCM there? That means our LCM will be 14 multiplied by 4. 14 multiplied by 4. Let's work it out. 4 multiplied by 4. That is 16. We write 6 and keep 1. 4 times 1, 4. Plus that one, that will be 56. That means the LCM will be 56. LCM will be 56. So how many times will 14 go in 56? It will go 4 times. It will go 4 times. So 4 multiplied by 15. Let's work it out. That will give us 60. 60 minus sign, that is the sign that we have here. 4 in 56 will give us 14. That will 14 times. So 14, let's work it out. 14 multiplied by 5. 5 multiplied by 4, that is 20. We write 0 and keep 2. 5 times 1 will give us 5 plus 2. That is 70. 60 minus 70. That is what we are going to have there. Now, our answer now will be, this one is smaller compared to this. So you should know it will give us a negative answer. That means you are having 16 naira and you are owing 17 naira. You will still, after you have paid 60, you will still be owing 10 naira. That means you are going to have minus 10 over 56. So look at the solution to the question. Thank you for taking your time to listen.